Well guys, welcome to the temperate rainforests of Southeast Alaska. It rains over 270 days out of the year here. Look at this! There we go, we got ourselves a nice little shelter. Gonna need it because I've already wet my pants. Well, this is a pretty slick little shelter. It was built in 1937, just made with logs and cedar shingles. It's a volcanic hot spring. Oh, that's warm. See if we can jam this hole up. There we go, it's filling up with hot water pretty quick. All right, so we got cold water there, boiling hot water there, and warm water flowing in here. And you can kind of use the 3 to adjust your temperature.